High five. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. Jet Scott here as always. And I guess that's going to be our thing. We need it on a t-shirt. Hey guys, Jet Scott here. Yeah, we need that on a t-shirt for sure. No one would buy those. I wouldn't even buy that. That'd be ugly. Man, my face on a t-shirt. Wow. Whew. We could get a shirt made that says Bald Spot Club. You always got to have a good sense of humor. No, today we're going to be doing a very special video. And I'm in good spirits about this because it's going to be something pretty cool at the end of this video. But I'm a freak and I love anodized aluminum. I really do. And it's one thing I regret about my Dana 60 as my original gold Moroso aluminum cover right there leaks like a sieve. It's all beat up at the bottom. And of course it's not in very good shape. And yeah, it don't seal up very good. So I've been trying to find a way to retire this bad girl and replace it with something. And I did an experiment with an air cleaner lid that I had. Huh. Looks pretty neat. The other half of it's blue. Wonder what I'm going with that. So what we got here is a rear axle cover for 66 to 03 Dana 60. We bought this from Jags. I believe this was 25, 26 bucks. And what's neat about this, for that price, you get on eBay and you buy one of these and you're just gonna get the Dana 60 cover with a cheap gasket. And through Jags, get out of there. Oh yeah. You get a neat box that you can, you know, put stuff in. You get this really neat plastic sack that you can wear as a mask or a Halloween costume if you so choose. I don't recommend it. Please don't do that, actually. But yeah, you know, you can do stuff with that. You get this nifty gasket that is very gaskety. You get this thing. You get some freaking sweet bolts. Oh, those are actually really nice bolts. And washers. And you get this. What you ordered. Look at us. We're ugly. Wow. But check out that plug. This is what I like about this Jags cover over the ones you buy off eBay. The ones in eBay are more like a factory cover and they got this big, ugly, square plug right here. But the ones from eBay, they don't sit down that far. They sit up like here. They look stupid. The Jags ones actually got this proper looking plug that looks freaking nice. Look at this. I like this. This is much nicer made. Look at that tape. We don't want that tape in there. Get out of there. Yeah, that's much better made. Now the chrome quality, let's look at it. Well, the chrome is good right here. We got a little bit of haziness right there. I mean, it's not a perfect chrome job, but you know what, for 26 bucks, made in Taiwan, who gives a dang? But let me show you what we're gonna do to this bad boy. Because you're probably asking, where's Jed going with this? That's where he's going with this. By the way, there's that ugly plug. See how stupid that looks? That's as far down as it goes. This cover was beautiful until I dropped it on my way out here. Got a couple nicks in it. But I took some blue candy paint and painted this son of a gun. Oh yeah, that looks freaking cool. So, I got some, this is the paint I used actually. This Duplicolor Metal Cast Anodized coating, which is basically just candy paint. The old yellow, unfortunately, looks like crap. This is like piss yellow. It's not even close to being gold. And for some reason, when I spray this, it just doesn't look right. It comes out all hazy. Whereas this blue looks 10 times better. So what I'm gonna do is I got another can of this, but it's in your good pal Jed's favorite color, red. Oh yeah, like you saw on that test piece. And we're gonna prep this thing, and we're gonna make her freaking red. And we got another chrome one actually in the house, and we'll have red, white, and blue Dana covers we can swap out anytime we want. I think that'd be pretty neat. I wish there was a proper gold color, but there's not. So we'll have to choose between either a blue Dana cover for Jezebel, or a red one, or a chrome one for that matter, or the steel one, or put up with old leaky gold up there. But I'm going to show you how I made this into this. And all you're going to need is some steel wool, preferably some that's not rusty and nasty. So we'll kick that out of here. And we got this piece here. It's a lot nicer. I can't remember what I use this on, but we're going to use it. Dawn dish soap mixed with water for like wet sanding. And that's what I had to do to the other one to get the paint to stick. This one, we're going to give it a shot, seeing if this stuff will immediately stick to the chrome without causing any little micro scratches, which is what the 4/0 steel will do. There'll be tiny little micro scratches. We're going to try and avoid that on this one. We're going to take that plug out because we don't want to, you know, we're just going to leave the plug in there. It'll be fine. So let's see how this turns out. Wish me luck, guys. Let's hope this stuff sticks. I'll be danged, it's going to stick. Let's take this somewhere where we can actually paint this. I didn't plan on this actually sticking. I think the old secret is this guy made in Taiwan versus old China. The main thing here is not to get too overzealous. Light coats will produce a nice color, and the nice thing about this, it will not fade like real anodizing will. Now we just gotta let that sucker dry, and then I'll see you guys in a couple days and I'll tell you why we did this. See you then. So what do you guys say about it, Dad? Been a couple of days. This bad boy looks freaking gorgeous.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
So you guys are wondering why Dad and I are in pajamas. It's because it's late and I just got done talking on the phone for evening, at least for now. Got one more phone call to make, and we're going to be signing this sucker. You may be asking why we're going to sign it. I'll inform you guys of that tomorrow. So Dad, do your thing.
Oh golly, I don't know what to say.
Well, don't act like no one's holding you at gunpoint.
Huh?
That looks good. Now you just gotta sign your name. You know, like fancy rock star kind of crap. Just imagine you're signing an autograph after like a long day of being at a concert or something. There you go.
There it is. Ought to be worth something someday.
About $1 million, a million pennies. Or as I tell Jesse all the time, 1,000,000 pesos, which is like $100. What the hell are you adding now? Oh, the Rock God, your nickname. Well, I appreciate you signing that, Dad.
Alright.
That's super cool.
Alright, I'm going to bed.
All right, everybody wish Dad good night.
Good night.
Good night, Dad.
See ya.
Alrighty, well, I'm gonna sign this and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, guys, so like I said last night, I'll explain more about why we did this and what makes it special to me. So I did this cover as simply, I did the blue one actually, I should say. I did the blue one as a test to see if it was possible to make it look like, you know, a gold anodizing. You know, you want real anodizing, you need to scuff the chrome up, make it dull, and then it would look like real anodizing. But hey, we can do it. And this means you can do it with just about any color with a candy paint. And with as cheap as these covers are, oh yeah. The other reason why I did this, well, red being my favorite color, but there's a special person in mind for this one. And Rob, this is your cue.
Grab the package.
This is when you pause the video, Rob. This right here, I made for a very particular special young lady who watches the channel. And I won't go into detail about what she's going through, but I wouldn't wish that upon my worst enemy. And the fact that she, you know, gets through it every single day and has to deal with that crap, I only dream I could be half as strong as her. And my heart just goes out to her, and I don't want to make it weird or anything, but just no kid should have to go through that kind of crap, in my opinion. I mean, I lose my words, and I know it's just a stupid Dana 60 cover, and it really ain't that cool. It's just something to hang on the wall, but you know what? It's the most it's the best I think of, you know. I'm not the best at giving things away, and I'm not the best at, you know, gifts and whatnot, but I just figure, you know what? This is for you. And also, you're the only person to ever get a signature from Dad. So, we hope you enjoy it, hanging on the wall. And like I said, if you don't like it, that's fine. You can have what's in this package. You can trade with Rob. Because Rob, by the way, you got a package too. But we're going to get this baby mailed off and headed to a very special young lady. And yes, Rob has been in on this since the beginning. However, he did not know what we were making. We kept it a secret. He wanted it to be a secret. So give him a great big old hug, because he's an awesome dude. I mean, awesome parts man, awesome friend. I'm glad I know him. Glad he's in my life. I'm glad to know all you people. You know what family you're talking about. You know what family I'm talking about, because obviously you guys are sitting there with that white box right there in your lap, and that red cover is probably laying in your lap too. I just want you to know that I appreciate every single person who supports this channel, and I don't want anybody to feel left out, but this is just someone who's, you know, I know what they're going through, and I know a lot of people are going through tough shit, but to be a young person, you know, well below the age of 18, and having to go through the crap she's going through, no one should have to go through that, especially someone her age. So, just going to do what I can, and when we start running Jezebel, that's going to be one thing we're going to be lettering on. The old Jezebel is, I don't know if it's, I guess it's a disease, but we're going to be raising awareness for it. One of those diseases where I'd rather have cancer over that, just my opinion. And I had cancer, and I feel very lucky that I made through it. And that's what I had to go through. If I had to go through what she's going through, I don't think I'd be nearly strong enough to go through that crap. But regardless, we appreciate your support, and you know, we made this for you, and hope you enjoy it. And for anybody, you know, otherwise watching the video who don't give a crap about all the sentimental stuff, you learned how to make a cool looking Dana 60 cover. There's my blue one. That'll probably be going on Jezebel. Oh. All right, it's getting warm out here, and I got stuff to do. I'm gonna get this baby packed up in the mail, and this video will go live when you get that package. Rob, you better intercept that. Don't ruin the surprise. But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. It's nothing super special to most of you, but to one person in this world, it should mean the world to. And that's the only person this video is for, really. So, I appreciate everybody for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. So take care, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.